Welcome to LanguageVector. Today, we're exploring common nouns words that name everyday people, places, things, and ideas. Common nouns are general names for people, places, things, and ideas. They are not specific and are not capitalized unless they start a sentence. There are many common nouns. Table, chair, and pencil are all common nouns. Tips for identification: if a noun doesn't refer to a specific person, place, or thing, it's likely a common noun. They are usually preceded by articles like a, an, or the. Example: I saw a dog in the park. Common nouns name general items, while proper nouns name specific ones and are always capitalized. City is a common noun, it's general, referring to any city. But New York? That's a proper noun, because it names a specific city. Similarly, teacher is a common noun. It could mean any teacher. But Mr. Smith? That's a proper noun, naming a particular person. Don't capitalize common nouns unless they're at the beginning of a sentence. Here are the examples. The car is parked outside the house. Children love to play in the park. Books can open a world of imagination. Honesty is the best policy. We'll explore abstract nouns. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.